Hello, how are you today? This is James Fess from RVA Lighting in Mass in Lancaster, Ontario today. And I wanted to go into our gateway product that we use for our red light system, which is the green box controller, otherwise known as the GBX series. And I just wanted to review that quickly and to show some of the capabilities of having remote controls of your tower light system. So without further ado, I will share the next screen. Here it is. So the GBX series, it's a red light controller for your painted towers. And it's a very good little controller. It can do an A0 system, A1, A2, whatever you want. We have various situations where you can fit this into your system. It can be GPS controlled. It can do many other things, but the best part of it is having the gateway option on it so you can work with it. So I'm going to pull up that next, and then we can start doing that. So I'm going to pull this screen up, and that's to my remote gateway into the office so I can go to the demo unit that's on the wall. So that's the software. You'd have a little icon, and it says GBX Gateway, and you would have that on your laptop or computer, wherever you are. And then you have your own IP addresses for things like that and such whatnot. You just log in. You just connect to it. It's a great little thing, and it's all happy and green right now, as you can see on the screen. So it tells me I have 2 markers going right now, and I'm expecting 2 markers, and I'm getting 2 markers. I have a beacon flashing right now as well, and it's in night mode. And any other alarm contacts are on. So there's no photocell alarm, no flash fail alarm, things like that. And as you can see, you can have multiple beacons. So if you had, for the one beacon we have, it alarms off. If you had a second beacon or a third or fourth, depends on what system you have. We can do all that. I can force day mode, and then the lights will go out. So day mode. 2 markers are expected in the system. There's none on right now, and the beacon is off. So there you go. So let's go back to auto mode. And then there's configuration tabs. You can set it up. You can name your site, your tower number, set up your own IP on your own network. If you had an ISP available there, or you have your own Ethernet available at your location. If you have a NOC center, you have the SMP settings. We can set those all up for you. Another feature is really cool. You can actually have an email go to you if there's an alarm on that light system, so you know right away. Things like that, or people that need to know right away, or even a contractor. Kind of cool. Event log, if there's any alarms, it'll show what's been happening. If I was turning things on and off, it'll show I did that. And it's all time stamped, and that history stays with the controller and goes from there. But it's a neat little system. I think it's future proof, especially with COVID these days and everything else. I think it's important to have more control of all of your sites out in the field. Less people moving around and more things happening. And then when you're done looking at it, you just log out. You're done. It's that simple. Well, thanks. And if you want more information, you can reach out to me, James at rvalm.ca, or you can call me on my cell at 365-999-9513. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.